Welcome to the story of Bellandur Lake, located in the southeastern part of Bangalore. It's the largest lake in the city, spanning an impressive 37,000 acres. This lake is part of the city's vast drainage system, receiving water from three upstream lakes, and its catchment area stretches across 148 square kilometers. Once a serene body of water, believed to be a tributary of the Dakshina Pinakini River, Bellandur Lake has a rich history. It was even used for landing amphibious aircraft back in the 1940s. But as urbanization took over in the 1980s, things began to change. Unplanned growth and rapid development began to disrupt the natural flow of water into the lake. The once pristine lake started receiving untreated sewage from nearby housing societies, while industries dumped waste directly into the water. The impact? A lake surface so polluted that it occasionally catches fire, and froth has been a common sight since at least 2003. This environmental disaster has affected the lives of those living nearby, contributing to poor living standards and growing health concerns. Concerned farmers, activists, and local residents have been raising their voices for years. From 1997, when Bellandur Lake was declared unfit for water sports, to the numerous court cases demanding action, the fight to save the lake has been a long and hard-fought battle. A public interest litigation in 1999 called attention to the lack of proper sewage management. The High Court stepped in, ordering the local government to implement a sewage network. But despite these orders, little was done, leading to further legal battles. Over the years, residents' associations and pressure groups have pushed for change, filing petitions, holding protests, and even taking the matter to social media. In 2017, experts from the UK and Israel were brought in to help solve the crisis. And in 2016, the National Green Tribunal ordered a halt to construction near the lake, but that decision was overturned by the Supreme Court in 2019. The scale of pollution in Bellandur Lake is massive, and finding a solution has proven to be a complex task. Proposals like desilting or diverting sewage have been met with skepticism, but there have been some efforts to tackle the problem. The Bangalore Development Authority began desilting the lake in 2020, removing a staggering 20 lakh cubic meters of silt in an attempt to restore the lake's ecosystem. While the future of Bellandur Lake remains uncertain, the ongoing efforts to clean and rejuvenate the lake are a testament to the dedication of citizens, activists, and the local government. It's clear that saving this iconic water body will require continued collaboration and innovation. Stay tuned for more updates on the future of Bellandur Lake, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more environmental stories from around the world.